guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Sophia if you're new here, and in today's video we have something really fun. I actually went to the thrift store and I picked up so many good things, and I want to show you guys what I got, but I don't want to just show you what I got. I want to show you how I use it, where I'm going to put it, and how I'm going to style it. So the first thing I want to share with you guys are these beautiful vases that I found at the thrift store. This was the first thing that I found. I just love pottery. Like, I just can't ever seem to skip the pottery aisle. Same as baskets. Like, I'm just obsessed with them. So this little bud vase was only $4.99, which is such a good price because I found something at our house for an insane amount of money. Very similar effect. And I actually like this one better, which was crazy. So I don't know where this is from originally. There's a tag here, but it doesn't say where it was from. And this was only $3.99, and it's so pretty. So my plan for this, I'm gonna put it on the shelf. Maybe I'll put a plant inside. But yeah, for $3.99, you just can't beat it. The next thing I'm gonna share with you guys, I had the full, I don't know if you guys know this, but I've been really into macrameing lately, and I had the full intentions of making a macrame pillow. And then I went to the thrift store and I found this beautiful, there's no tag on it because I already washed and dried it, but I found this beautiful macrame crocheted pillowcase. I think it's an 18 by 18 in great condition. I don't know where it was from or who it's by. Here, maybe there's a tag in here. It's by Chaps, but I don't know. I know for $2.99 and the time it would take to make something like this, this was worth it to see if I would like it in my house, and it is so beautiful. I can't wait to put this on maybe one of my couches or a bed or in my son's room. It's so beautiful. So this would totally not be a thrift haul if I didn't pick up a basket. Like, I don't know. I don't think I've ever left the thrift store and not picked up a basket. So I found this beautiful basket. It was $3.99. I know that sometimes people are like, oh yeah, you can find a basket for 99 cents. And that's great. But every basket that I see for that price is usually pretty like banged up. So this is in great condition. Like, nothing is coming out. It looks really, really like seamless and nice. I'm actually going to put this on my white shelves in my other living room because it's very shallow, so I'm just gonna sit it upright, I think. Next, I have been really obsessed with dough bowls. I would text my family like, hey, do you have any dough bowls? And they're like, what the heck is a dough bowl? And I feel like I have been like obsessed with them since last fall, and I could never find them at the thrift store. Like, the closest thing to it is like the chips and salsa wooden thing, which was like not it at all. So I went to the thrift store and I cleaned up on dough bowls because they had so many this time. I don't know what happened. Everybody during quarantine donated their dough bowls. So this one was only $4.99, which is such a good price because a dough bowl this big from like Crate and Barrel or even Target would be like 30, 40, 50 bucks. So when I saw this, like, yeah, it has some scratches, but it's nothing that even anyone's gonna really see or notice except me, and I can always just take one of those like little wooden pens and just buff it out. So sticking with that same theme, I found again another dough bowl, and this one was only $4.99, which is such a good price. So I can't wait to like put candles in here, let it get all melty and gooey, and it's gonna just look so pretty for fall. Like, I'm so excited. I, again, picked up more wooden bowls. I picked up these two for only $1.99 each in the kitchen section. And honestly, I'm not gonna put them in my kitchen. I'm just gonna style them on my shelf because my son loves to take everything off of the shelves. So I'm always looking for decor that he can't either hurt himself on or break. And these little wooden bowls are gonna be great for that. So super excited about that. I think that this was a really good find. So comment down below if you have any idea what's in this box, because I know what's in here. And I did not know what was in here until I brought it home. And I was surprised. I bought it because I love the container and I love the concept. Like, it's like a chest, but miniature. So I thought, oh my God, this will be perfect on a shelf. Like, I can put my son's toys in there. And then I just have to show you what's in here. And here she is. So, yeah. I'm still gonna put this on my shelf, like 110%, but I kind of wish it was empty, but it's okay. She's gonna stay in here. until further notice, but this is definitely going on my shelf. Kind of switching gears a little bit, I want to talk about candles. These are the Randig candles from IKEA. You get 3 of them in this pack, and this was only $3.99, which is such a nice price for 3 candles. So, I mean, that's like almost like dollar store. So, really good price. And I don't know exactly what I'm gonna, but they smell pretty good. Just like from the outside, I don't know. We'll open it and find out. So next up is this little brass candle. I did an item search on Pinterest and I found it. They don't sell it anymore. This is in Sweet Sangria. And I think it was about $19.99. At least that's the similar one was that much. And I only paid $4, $3.99 for this, and it smells so good. It's never been lit. There's nothing wrong with it. When it's melted down completely, I can either put another candle in it, or I can just use it as a little container for something else, like maybe a little like pot for my plants or something. So cute, so worth the money. And yeah, I feel like little brass containers like this, especially if there's a candle in it, are really like the gift that keeps on giving, because there's so much you can do with it after the candle's gone. Next up for candles, I actually already have a set of these that I also had picked up from the thrift store last year. And I just love them. It's these like Birch tea light candle holders. And I think they're so cute for fall. For the 3 of these, it was only $3.99, which is such a nice price. Like, they're perfect for fall. I like that there's different heights, which I think is always nice when you want to style them on shelves or just in general, because then that way it's not also like one level. But for $4, I feel like it was just worth the money to see what it was going to look like in the house. If you ever see them at your thrift store, make sure you pick them up, because they are so like Scandinavian, farmhouse, whatever your style is, minimalist. I feel like they just go with so many different styles, and yeah, I love them. They look great. So next up, I have this beautiful brassy mirror tray, and I only spent $2.99 on it, which is such a good price. Like, even for the thrift store, I feel like that was extremely low for this. And I just love how it looks. I feel like it's gonna be so pretty in my bathroom style with like makeup or perfume or jewelry or whatever it is, like little cotton balls, whatever. So I think that this was such a good find for the price. And then also I found something on Wayfair very similar, and it was like $60. So definitely for $3, I'm so happy that I picked this up. I think it's gonna look so pretty in my bathroom, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So olive trees and olive branches, olive sprigs, they're really like having a moment right now. I feel like it's almost like the new fiddle leaf. And I found this cute little miniature olive tree for only $3.99, which is such a good price. Like, it's not in the best quality, and I'm not crazy about the pot that it came in, but I can always like put this in a slightly bigger pot and you never know the difference. I think that this is like a really good price for a faux plant. That is super on trend. And lastly, I did pick up this Tony Bennett record. I'm not a Tony Bennett fan. And I mean, I'm not a Tony Bennett. I just don't know anything by him. Maybe I do. You know what? I really don't know. That's the thing. But what I bought it for was because I really wanted to do a DIY with a record. If you look on Pinterest, there's so many like cool ideas. So I was like, oh, you know, maybe I'll give it a try one day. And instead of going to Urban Outfitters and spending a ton of money on a record, I thought, let me just go to the thrift store and only spend a couple bucks and see what I can do. And that is it for this thrift haul. I only spent $56 on all the items that you saw, which is such a good price. If I bought one of those things at like Wayfair, I would have spent exactly that much, I'm sure. So if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, because I post home decor and DIY content every single week. And I hope I see you guys next Sunday for another DIY video. Bye.